we have the quadrilateral shown here, OABC, and I've added in all the relevant bits. O to M to B is in the ratio of 1 to 5, A to N to B is in the ratio of 3 to 2, and our job is to find the ratio of O to B and A to C, and they want this in the form of K to 1. The strategy I'm going to use is here, two journeys along the same straight line. That I can use because they will be scalars of each other. I can then separate each vector into its A and B components and then compare them. And the lines I will take will be M to N and M to C. I will take M to N and then I will take M to C. Okay, let's make a start on this. M going to N. That's going to be minus 1/6 of B plus my A plus then 3/5 of A going to B. M to N will be 1/6 of B plus the A and then 3/5 of AB, which will be minus A plus B. I can just tidy this up now. M going to N will be minus 1/6 of B plus 3/5 of B, and then A minus 3/5 of A, give me 2/5 of A. Just tidying this last bit up, I will have M going to N 13 over 30B plus 2/5 of A, putting a box around that. Next, I will do the M going to C. M going to C is minus 1/6 of B plus my A plus then some amount of B. And I can say it's some amount of B because A to C is going to be parallel to OB. So I'm saying that MC is minus 1/6 of B plus the O to A, which is A, plus then the A to C, which is some amount of B. Then we can just gather everything together. I've got 1A, and then I'll just factor out that B. I've got alpha minus 1/6 of B. All I've done here, by the way, is I've just factored out the B from here and here, and that has left me alpha minus 1/6 of B. Just border this off here. And now I've got 13 over 30B plus 2/5 of A, that's my M to N, is equal to some scalar of M to C, so theta of all of the MC, which is A plus bracket alpha minus 1/6 of B. 13 over 30B plus 2/5 of A, and then I've got alpha A plus then the alpha bracket, theta upon alpha minus 1/6 B. Okay, at this point now I can compare this and this so that hopefully you can see that theta must equal 2/5. Using that, I've got 13 over 30B will equal theta, which is 2/5, upon alpha minus 1/6. And I'm just taking out the B's there. And now I'll just times both sides there by 5 over 2. And that will give me 13 over 12 equals alpha minus 1/6. All I've done here, by the way, is I've just multiplied both sides by 5 over 2. So that times 5 over 2, that just goes to 1 in that case then. And then I've times this by 5 over 2, okay? And from there, I get that alpha is going to equal 15 over 12, so 5 over 4. And I'll just now write O going O to B to A to C is therefore 1 to 5 over 4. But I want this in the form of K to 1. Therefore, k is going to equal 4 over 5. So there we have it. K is 4 over 5. Again, another fairly long, involved and difficult question, but again, hopefully you can see that this strategy really works, and hopefully you can apply this idea to other similar questions.